Hello, hello. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news source on YouTube daily. My name is Shamari. Bang. What up? What up? What up? All right, guys. So, sorry that this is coming out so late. I was up trading all last night in the London markets, and you know how that goes. If you know about trading, it starts at 3 a.m. here on the East Coast in America. So, guys, we have good stories today. Bang, if you are a Ripple hodler, Ripple hodlers, man, there's a whole new exchange that's going to be using Ripple as their base currency. Bang, we're going to talk about that. Coinbase is upping their game even more. Coinbase, man, these guys, they're going to be the premier. They're going to be the American cryptocurrency kings, I think. And bang, multi-billion, not a couple billion, but hundreds of $1 billion company. Custody. Bang. You know how I love that. Custody services. Booyah. All right, we're going to get to that. And then, there's a lot more. Honey mining. Bang. My shit's up and running. I'm going to report. Okay. Yeah, and then we'll talk about that. All right, let's get to the show. Bang. How do we do this? Boom. And then where we go? We're going right. Our usual. Booyaka. Let's look at our top 10 cryptos of the day. They are the usual suspects. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Stellar, Litecoin, Cardano, IOTA, Tether, and... no, my bad. Top 10. Tether. Oh, you tried to sneak in there. You saw Tron tried to sneak right up in there? Like, just kidding. All right. What are we looking at? Ooh. All right. So, middle range down, middle range. I mean, you know me, man. I want it red till bang, till the whales get here, till the institutional investors arrive. So I really couldn't give a shit. But single digits, mid to high single digits down, mid to high single digits. Oh, V-Chain, you do me like that? I just bought you yesterday, you fuckery. All right. Oh, look at this. All right. So, it's a slaughter. It's a slaughter. Nice. That gives me time to buy because my money should be coming to my Coinbase account tomorrow. Bang, I am going to murder it. Keep going, buddies. Keep going. Shmori, man, you're a fucked up little motherfucker, man. Well, you want shit to go down. Look, dicks, we have institutional investors coming. Before they get here, I want this shit to tank so I can buy as much of it and fill my crypto warehouse. Because when they get here, they're going to be buying it all. They're not going to leave a scrap. Oh, so no one made any money. All right, well, let's look at it. Top 10. You can't really call this earning. Well, you can't. I mean, they're down. But anyways, the top 10 people of the day were Binance Coin, Odom, Tether, Metaverse ETP, Chainlink, XRP, Bitcoin Gold, Mixin, Verge, and MAOC. Let's look at our market cap. Oh, bang, we are down 270 billion. We were up to, actually, we went over 300 billion the other day. 270 billion. I don't care. The smaller that market cap gets means the bigger the moves when the money gets here. All right. So, guys, we're going to look at a few stories here, and let's start with number one. Bang, Ripple. If you are a Ripple hodler, this is an interesting story. A new Ripple Decentralized Exchange is launching in San Francisco. Thinking of home, are you? A new Ripple XRP-based decentralized crypto marketplace, DCEX, has now opened registration for retail and what? Bumbleclot institutional accounts. Booyah. According to a press release published July 30th. The new San Francisco-based platform runs on technology developed by blockchain firm Alpha Point and will initially offer 15 crypto trading pairs. All against Ripple as the base currency. These include Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, IOTA, and Zcash, among others, with further altcoins to be listed in the future. DCEX will also reportedly make all of the assets included in the Bloomberg Galaxy. Oh, the Bloomberg Galaxy Crypto Index. So, guys, which tracks the top 10 most liquid crypto assets and presents itself as an institutional benchmark for the crypto market, available all in one location for investors. That's what I want you to look at. Guys, I want you to Google this. BGCI. Well, BGCI. It's actually, let me show it to you. Can I? Oh, I can. Hold on. Can I? Is it? Ah, fuck. It's another article. Anyways, man. So look, when the institutional investors get here, they're going to be looking hard at liquidity, hard. And I don't know if I mentioned this the other day, but how I'm going to be doing once they get here. So right now we're in the waiting mode, right? We're in wait mode. Hurry up and wait, as we say in the Army. Hurry up and wait. And that's what we're doing right now. But once they get here, well, it's going to be active, right? Things are going to hype up. And so for me personally, what I'm going to be doing is I have my coins, right? I think I got about 13, maybe 14, because I just added the VeChain thing, full disclosure. But how I'm going to be trading once they get here is I'm going to be looking at, it's not liquidity. What the hell is like volume? The volume, is it volume? Yes, the volume of their that will show us what these guys are interested in. So if, for instance, I have Ripples and I have Stellars. So let's do a little little example, right? So if I see for like a month or two that Ripple, like boom, 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 all these Wall Street guys are like trading Ripples and getting into it, and the prices are going up, but yet my Stellars may be going up slowly. There's no volume. That shows there's no interest, right? They don't care about it, right? This is just an example. I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but I mean, who knows what's going to happen? And that's why I'm saying this is how I'm going to chart sort of where their minds are by using volume. And so if my Ripples are getting mad volume and they're going up, and then Stellar's going up but no volume, I'll sell these and just pop them all into. Do you see what I'm saying? There's going to be a lot of your portfolio. It's called a portfolio, what you own. There's going to be a lot of portfolio allocations going on. And the way I'm going to allocate my funds is I'm going to look at volume. I'm going to look at my tokens and look at volume. And if there's not enough volume in them, that means they're not interested. That will be the signal they're not interested in it. Sell that, and I'll buy more of what they are interested in, whether I own it or not. We'll see when we get there, right? Once they get here. But, it's the stages. Right now, we're in hurry up and wait. When they get here, it's going to be boop, 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 allocating money in the portfolio. All right. So, what? All right. Oh, that's right. This wasn't an article. I was like, it's not even highlighted. All right. So, but go to that BGCI thing, because that's, I believe, a lot of these are Wall Street guys, dude. So they're obviously going to look at what Bloomberg says. Everything, look, everything on Wall Street is Bloomberg. Get used to that name, Bloomberg. All right, Bloomberg terminals. He runs it all. I think his name's Michael Bloomberg, billionaire, ex-mayor of New York. Anyway, so check that out, BGCI. For later, that's going to be a big deal in terms of an indicator of where institutional investors are placing their money, right? Because you have to be able to look at where they're putting the money. All right, you have currencies, you have coins and all that, but how are you going to find out what they're buying? And that's going to be a good indicator later on down the road. Believe me, once they get here, I'll probably be just like how we do the this thing. We do the top 10 of the day crap. Well, not crap. Top 10 of the day thing. we're going to be doing a what does BGCI say today. So, but according to the press release, we're back to the Ripple story now. Believes that using Ripple as a base currency will allow for high-speed transfer that can help investors to better take advantage of price inefficiencies in their arbitrage among currency pairs on different exchanges. Remember I told you what arbitrage is? Arbitrage is, and this is true. So arbitrage is huge. There's guys who just make money arbitraging. And I told you it's the difference in price of one asset on one exchange and an asset on another. So here in America, a Microsoft stock might be $100. Over in, I don't know, Tokyo, it might be 102. So you buy shitloads of these, sell them over there. Yeah, it's obvious. You make the profit right away, right? And so that's arbitrage in the trading world. And that's what they're saying. Like, my gosh, man, I bet these arbitragers were murdering it. There's a thing called the kimchi tax. So here in America, ripples are like, or not ripples. Let's see. Bitcoins are like, what are they? $7,580 right now, as we can see right here. In Korea right now, I bet you they're over $8,000. You can buy a Bitcoin here and sell it in Korea. Well, I'll do that. I know. But Korea shut that arbitrage shit down by saying no outsiders are allowed to exchange on their exchanges anymore. So if you're a South Korean and listen to me, look, just Google the word arbitrage and learn how to do it, buddy. You'll make money because you guys are killing it. You guys are really killing it. And so I explained to you boys what arbitrage is. And I told you yesterday, I think, go to Investopedia. Just put that in your bookmarks. So when I talk, you can just Google that stuff and you'll learn some stuff. The marketplace claims in the release that its network will facilitate up to 1 million transactions per second and will also enable participants to connect to APIs to facilitate high-frequency cryptocurrency trading strategies as well as to margin trade. So that high-frequency trading stuff, that's what the stock guys are doing now. They're murdering it. In Connecticut, there's guys, they put their servers right beside the NASDAQ server on the same, like in the same, what do you call them, closet, like the server closet, like servers, if you know about computers, servers are like stacked. They put it like in the same stack so they can have milliseconds faster trades than the others. And they have these algorithms that trade for them. And man, it goes by the millisecond. Look up high frequency trading. It's crazy. The rich boys, they rock that shit. DCEX, reportedly registered with FinCEN, is taking initial steps towards becoming a fully compliant, compliant and what? Regulated under what? The Security and Exchange Commission and other regulatory agencies, the press release notes. As a Cointelegraph, this summer, decentralized exchanges are gaining traction in the crypto sphere, both on ideological grounds and due to perceptions that centralized platforms are more vulnerable to thefts, such as the industry record-breaking hack of $532 million in NEM from CoinCheck earlier this year. So, a new Ripple exchange. It's going to be the base currency. So, it's just interesting. Is that going to send the price of Ripple up? Probably. I mean, we'll see. We'll see. And that's why I brought up the story. We'll see. It depends on how much trading actually gets done on that exchange, right? But the truth is, what matters about this exchange is, bang, can they get some institutional accounts? Institutional accounts. If you're new around here, I'm not going to get into it. I keep repeating the same crap every day, and I'm not going to do that. Like, you got to figure it out if you're here, okay? Just watch every day, and you'll figure out what's going on right here. Bang, when the institutional guys come, that's the big money. And that's when our hodlings will go up nicely. All right. Let's get to the second story. What is it? Coin. And so you see what's happening now All right, so Coinbase Exchange uh, um, hires chief compliance officer. We're getting into the big now. We're getting into the big deals. We're getting custodianships. We're getting properly regulated exchanges, properly regulated broker dealers. This is the real deal now, guys. We're getting into the big times. So, like I say every day, go back in the videos if you're new here. Believe me, I've been saying it every flipping day. I'm going to say this one last time. Well, this won't be the last time. Let's get real. You have to build your cryptocurrency warehouse now. Fill it with all the goods you can, because institutional investors are coming to take it. To buy it from you, not take it from you. You're going to be the one taking their money. All right, let's just get into this. Cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase has hired finance executive Jeff Horowitz as chief compliant officer to help it navigate regulations for virtual currency companies, the company said on Tuesday. For the past 3 years, Horowitz has served as a global head of compliance for Pershing LLC, a subsidiary of Bank of New York Mellon. Big time. Pershing handles approximately $1.8 trillion in client assets. So this is a big boy. Coinbase hired themselves a big gun. This ain't some homie from around the way. They hired themselves a big gun. Regulators are increasing their scrutiny of the cryptocurrency sector following an explosion in trading of virtual coins such as Bitcoin and Ether. This has led some companies in the sector to pay closer attention to their compliance procedures. As Coinbase, along with the cryptocurrency space as a whole, grows and matures, continued regulatory compliance across all the varying jurisdictions globally will be critical, Asif Herji, Coinbase president and chief operating officer, said in a blog post. Coinbase, which counts New York Stock Exchange owner Intercontinental Exchange Inc. as an investor, has also been seeking to attract more business from institutional bang. For fuck's sakes. Do you see that? I didn't know this part. The owner of the New York Stock Exchange is an investor in Coinbase. I wonder if Coinbase is going to be successful or not going forward. Y'all think? And for institutional investors. All right, so to do so, it is planning to offer services such as sophisticated matching engine and bang, secure storage. What did we read yesterday? All those guys, they were like, sure, I'd get into crypto, but I need custodianship, secure storage. All right, I got to do it. What's our favorite word? Custodianship. How are we going to get rich? Custodianship. What are they waiting? What are these rich institutional investors waiting for to bring us their money? Custodianship. I had to do it once. All right. Come on. It's true, though. Look. That word. Look. All right, I'm not going to get into it. Anyway, it'll be your favorite word in the world. Let me just say that. Prior to Pershing, Horowitz worked at Citigroup, Goldman Sachs, and he's a regulator for the FDIC, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, Coinbase said. He's also served as a member of the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, Bank Secrecy Act Advisory Group. So he's going to make sure that Coinbase is all good, man. All good. And that's great for us because Coinbase is the one with the custody right now, offering their services right now. And that's great. And the hedge funds are coming in. Now it's not SEC regulated stuff. It's SEC regulated. Because they got those SEC regulated companies they bought to be able to do this for their high net worth individual clients and their institutional investors. But you know what I'm talking about. Bang, we're still waiting for the SEC to drop the rules. And that's when, holy, the true nature of the beast will arrive. All right. Bang. And we just talked about custody. Custodianship. Asset management firm Northern Trust is going to start what? A crypto custody business. Nah, we doing business around these parts, son. So, Northern Trust Corp, a leading global asset management firm with $954 billion in total assets under management. You understand that? The crypto market's only, what was it? This is what I want to prove to you. Look. The whole market cap for the whole crypto market today is $271, let's round up, $billion. This is one little company. Well, they're not little. They have 3 times the whole crypto market. Do you understand the level of money that's coming when these institutional investors get here? The level? It's going to dwarf what's going on in the whole market right now. And that's why I say to you, when I do say to you these words, you will be rich. You are going, you right there. Yeah, you are going to be rich. They're going to bring in their money, and it's going to be savagery. They're going to be throwing it around like it's nobody's business. All right? Like I'm just telling you, and that's math. That's just math. You know? All right, come on, let's get to work. A leading Northern Trust Corp, a leading global asset management, with $954 billion in total assets under management, is planning to start a what? A bomba clot. Booyah. See? So Coinbase started the first one. We're going to begin. So let me tell you how this is going to work, boys. Let's get real around these parts. I got to wait for you to have a drink. Look, custody services. I'm going to tell you how this is going to roll. Coinbase just got their custody thing online. Now, there are dozens of companies now being like, bang, we're going to offer custody services. As we go forward, I'll be reporting on them. And we're just going to see more and more of them applying for custodianship services licensing. And so here we go. They're planning to start a custody service for what? Digital assets, Bloomberg reported. The company's head of corporate and institutional business, Pete Cherwick, told Bloomberg that the company has started developing a strategy to secure custody-held digital assets. Because remember this, there are many... where do you think your money is held when you buy stocks and shit? It's not held on E-Trade. It's held for E-Trade, for you, but in a custodian service. And so there's hundreds of these custody services out there. But what it is they have to figure out how to hold cryptocurrency, right? They got to get their IT guys and their little code monkeys working to get crypto custody at a level that is acceptable, right, by the SEC and FINRA and so on and so forth. And I'm sure there's probably a regulator just for custody. But you can see that it's beginning, right? So we did Coinbase did it, right? They tricked us, actually. They were like, yeah, we're just applying. And they're like, oh, by the way, no, actually we have it. And boom, boom, boom. And so we're going to see just like the hedge fund guy said in that article a few months ago, a wave of custodian applications and whatnot are going out there because they see the money in it, right? They want that hedge fund money, right? So they want to hold their assets for them, right? He said the firm aims to offer a product similar to existing custodial services while charging lower fees. Excuse me, the fees right now, the custodians are charging are pretty high. Not the same fees that we get. Ultimately, I believe unsustainable because it needs to be an efficient model. Whatever, they're going to charge lower prices. They're going to be a cheaper custodian. Early in July, crypto exchange and wallet provider Coinbase announced the launch of its digital assets custodian solution for institutional investors. Their custody offering will be secured through an SEC-compliant and FINRA member independent broker-dealer electronic transaction clearing. At the time of the announcement, Coinbase has already been storing 20 billion worth of clients' crypto over 6 years. All right, so custodianship. Bang. All right, so those are our stories. To tell you the truth, it was a slow day on the markets. I mean, no one was, no one was hard forking. No mainnets went online. No, no exchanges got hacked to talk about. I just scraped these together. I mean, because they're important, right? Custodianship and stuff, and compliance. That shows. Because they brought up the Coinbase story because they're the leading ones in this whole custody, legalized, regulated thing, right? And now they have a compliance officer. So, and this guy, he knows all the little rules that the SEC and the boys want you to comply with in order to get, good standing with them. And so that's good for Coinbase. And that's why I read that story, because they're sort of the portal right now. They're America's only portal for the whales to come through now, right? So that's why I brought that up. And then, so there's your Ripple exchange, and just for Ripple holders. And yeah, there was nothing really going on in the markets today. So let's get to, yes. So, all right. Bang. All right, guys. So honey mining. All right. So that's the end of the cryptocurrency stuff. You don't have to stick around for the rest if you don't want. Bang. Honey mining. So guys, I bought a monitor today. Boom, boom, boom. I set it up. This old computer, man. So it was just a computer that a buddy just left for me. Well, I let him stay here for a little while. And he just left this computer. And that's the desktop I was talking about. I looked at my laptop, the old laptop I had. Actually, it's right here. Yeah. I have this old laptop, but this was a 32-bit machine here. And this one didn't work. So it's an old Dell. So this one didn't work. But my desktop, so I had this little piece of shit. It was a cool computer when I had it, though. Boom. You see how it goes? Bang. You can turn it into a tablet, and then you get the bang, bang. I was using that when I was a nightclub promoter, and I would type in people's names for their I did bottle service and stuff. I did VIP hosting is my shit. So, anyways, but all right, let's just get back to so honey mining. So that desktop was a 64-bit. I did download Honey Miner, and it's working. It's working. The machine I have is a true piece of crap. Look, guys. And then I had to clean it up and everything. I'm a network administrator, and also I have my A+ certification. And man, I got in this computer. I did a crap clean to clean out the junk files. It took 2 hours. Guys, take care of your machines. Your computer is your friend, man. Defrag the blood clot hard drive once in a while, all right? Defrag your registry, okay? Clean the crap files out of it, all right? And it will work better for you. It's crying out loud, man. When I saw the abuse this machine took, I felt bad. I was like, is this how people treat their machines? I fucking do a cleaning, every week just for the crap clean. And then I do a registry and a hard drive defrag, once a month. Like, treat your machine properly, motherfuckers. It's like a car. You got to tune it, or not tune it. What do you do with your car? You do that. You give it to the guys, and they do the oil change and all that. What do you call that? It is called a tune-up. Yeah, you tune it up, right? Come on, fucksticks. That's your machine is the same thing. Your computer, man. Treat it with a little love. So, anyways, I got this piece of shit machine. Honey mining went on it, and then tonight I'm going to do the full optimization and deleting of bullshit and making sure shit's not running all in the background and all that. Bang. All right. Ripple. All right, so this is one of these stories I said I was going to announce, but I wasn't going to read. So Ripple is working with Madonna to help kids in Malawi. Good. Orphans in Malawi. And Ripple is also going to have Bill Clinton as their keynote speaker at their event coming up. Let me see. Should I say this? All right, let's just get to the shout outs. This will be another story. I mean, I have something to say to you. All right, man. Let's just fucking say this shit. So look, guys. This guy Bush, or not Bush, what's his name? Trump. He's going to start a fucking trade war maybe. And while that is good for me as a Forex trader, if you're new here, go to forexfactory.com. Type my name in the top right, SHOMARI. And that's me. You can go down and halfway through the page in the bottom left, you'll see it'll say images. Bang, press those. Those are pictures of my trades. Yeah, trigger charts, setup charts, in-trade management, exit strategy, all there. And you can see, so you're talking to a real trader, an investor. And so I want to tell you this. If this guy starts this trade war, it's going to be, so I want you guys, and that's why I'm telling you guys, get Investopedia and put it in your bookmark, because I talk, economic talk, trade talk. And it's going to be full risk off. If this guy starts the trade war, it's going to be risk off, and it's going to stop these institutional investors from bringing their money in, because they're going to want to protect their money. If he starts a trade war, fuck this motherfucker. He's really going to fuck us up, and it'll be risk off, okay? Big time risk off, okay? Right now we're in risk on, and people are kind of chill, but if it goes risk off, we're not going to get, even though custodianship and all this stuff is coming, we're not going to get the biggest bang we need. So we need, Shmore, man, I thought you were all happy about that trade war. Yeah, as a Forex investor, I am. But I will make way more selling my warehouse of crypto than I will trading my Forex. So I want, look, start that trade war after you unleash the American whales. That's about it. Anyway, I just wanted to say that. Just something to keep in mind, guys. I hate bringing up the bad news, and that's some fucking bullshit bad news, and I hate that. But, I'm an investor, and this is a news thing, and, you're my boys, and I want to talk truth, So just keep an eye on this whole trade war thing. Pray that this man does not start a trade war before our whales get here. Okay, after that, have at it, buddy, Put tariffs on everything from China. But till then, buddy, settle down. Trump, settle down, buddy. You're like a 14-year-old girl with those tweets. Just calm the fuck down. All right. But you gave me my tax cut, so thanks, buddy. So let's just do some house cleaning amongst the crew. I noticed there were a few airdrops. That's Justin? What's Justin doing? Oh, he's doing some shit. Oh, they're not letting me see it? Let me look at it. Amisco Gold. Yo. All right. I noticed you guys are doing the Amisco Gold thing. I'm going to do it. But there was this other one, Amisco something, the other day. And when I pressed the link, Twitter was like, this link might take your password and blah, 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 blah. I don't know if that's the same one, so I'm not going to say anything about it. But anyway, whatever. So anyways, let's go to some shout-outs. Douglas Quint, bang, brother. Look at you. I see you with us, hanging with the crew. There's Bob. What's he doing now? Oh, Team Gun Chain. True. I'll have to get to that. You got to follow Bob. Oh, all right. So, and now, look. Around here, boys and girls, this channel, Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, we don't fuck around here. As you can see, we're drinking, we're smoking, but we're milking this cow big. I'm not going to get into all that. But bang. So we get these things called airdrops. Airdrops are free coins. It seems like they're usually pre-ICO or something before they get on an exchange or anything. Fine. Now, to get your free coins, you got to go to Twitter, talk to this guy. He's our minister of airdrops here. So me and the boys, well, some of the boys also do their own stuff. But anyway, this is the official minister of airdrops here. His name is So go to Twitter and go @Bob844111320. Bang. And you're going to get murdered with airdrops. Just get free airdrops, free coins. Oh, my gosh. You should see this guy's my Ether wallet. One of them. It's crazy. But it is true. It is true. Like, I've been doing them with him for, I don't know, it's only been a couple weeks. fuck, dude. My fucking, sorry about the language. But, and so what I do is just to remember which coins I've done, I bookmark them. I mean, there's got to be a good 34. Let me look at it. Like I said, guys, if you're here for the news and that's over already. If you don't want to hear all this crap, you can bounce. Where's my airdropper? Bang. Hold on. How many do I have? Let me count. I don't know if you guys can see this, but let me just count them. 1, 2, 3. Holy. All right. So, look, in the past, I don't know, man. I think it's only been about 2-3 weeks. Look, I thought these airdrops were going to be a couple a day. This motherfucker, he's dropped. So I have 38 airdrops. It's been about 3 weeks. This guy's ruthless. So his name's Bob. Look, go to Twitter, Bob844111320. He's ruthless, and you're going to get free coins, okay? That's the airdrop master. Let's see. Let's do a little shout-outs. Ahmet. Oh, glad to see you, brother. Bang. Using the CB Newswire. Bang. Hold on. Onuoha. Rita. Bang. Oh, following me? Nice. Now get on YouTube and follow this channel. Bob's rocking some other shit. Oh, he's doing the Almost to Go Gold. Edwin, bang, see you, brother. Justin, yes. Shut up, wife. Look. Around these parts, we don't listen to the yap. We're focused. Money. Shut up, wife. I'm about that whole life. Airdrop, see you, brother. You're part of the crew officially. Bang. And then the regular crew all doing their stuff. Anyway, guys, so someone's at my door. So let me get the hell out of here, all right? And plus, we're done what we have to do. Bang. This is Shamari Clark. It has been a great pleasure doing this for you. This is my favorite time of the day. I love talking money. And in honest truth, I could just blab for hours. So let me just shut up. This is Shamari Clark. Always on duty. Bang. Over and out. Oh, the shilling. Yes. Hold on. My bad. I got to do this shit. So, the call to action, it's called. Please subscribe below. Press the little bell beside it so that you get instant updates. This is what me and my crew do. We make money. We make money daily. And we're also waiting for the big stuff to come. So, this is Shamari Clark. This time, and always, fucking on duty. Might be late. I know this is coming in late, but bang. Over and out.